be teaching you some stuff.
Hey everyone, welcome to our first tutorial. So first up, we're going to be teaching you guys how to box. That's right, we're going to be going over the correct form, we're going to be showing you guys how to train and get buff, and also, we're going to be showing you guys us in an actual boxing match where we're kicking somebody's ass. Woo! Do you want to be like Sylvester Stallone from Rocky? Do you want to skip leg day and still get buff? Do I? Are you a bitch? Well, we're going to be showing you how to box, motherfucker. Yeah! Hyping myself up for the boxing match! We're a boxing match! Better than me? You think you're better, Paul? Oh, huh? You wanna go? You wanna go? You know where your mom was last night? She was with me. Doing what? You're not old enough to know.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a knockout! It's a knockout!
Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to play poker, alright? So, these right here are hands, alright? We're going to start with the best hand. It's a royal flush. If you get a royal flush, go all in because you're going to win. It's really unlikely, but if you do, go all in, alright? So yeah, and then we're going to go to the worst one, which is just a pair, alright? If you got a pair, I wouldn't suggest raising. I would honestly just fold. Unless, of course, you're trying to bluff. If you think you have a good poker face, then, I mean, do whatever you want. Raise it however much you want. But, yeah, and then it just goes from worst to best hand, and that's pretty much it. So, let's get into it.
Looking dapper, bro. Good evening, gentlemen. By all means. Today, we're going to be giving you a visual representation on how to bench press so you can improve your form and get better PRs.
By the end of this video, you will be able to rep 315 with ease.
Let's get right into it. It's locked.
Alright guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if we hit 10,000 likes, I'll make a part 2. Peace.
My phone's gonna be like memory full right when I get in the car seat, and then we're just gonna lose the entire scene. You should get a video of this from your perspective behind the scenes. Yeah, right now. Ready? Get the flash out and start filming. Professionals at work, Mr. Cass. We know what we're doing. We're very careful with our equipment, and we're very technical with our scenes. We have the utmost safety, and we make sure that nothing is at any risk of breaking.
I know. Look at how professional this is.
If we want,
it's definitely gonna stay.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's definitely gonna stay.
It's gonna stay. If we want a steady shot, we know how to do it. Right? This is the way. This is how you get a steady shot. I held the straightest, most like pissed off face the whole time. Also,
or even just raise. But yeah, I'm restarting that. I missed
Oh, it's recording? Form on how to bench press. So then that way you can improve. And I wanted you to come in sooner. I don't know. I ran out of.
We'll be able to rep 315 with ease. No, I think we should do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that's running.
Child, I bet you still wear Velcro and you don't even know how to tie a shoe. Huh, punk? No.
Okay.
Looks good. I was trying not to laugh.
Okay. That way, we got the bro. I thought we were gonna. Okay.